All right. Yeah, I just don't feel like getting on the road right now. So let's make the component. um. So I ended up making this. This is the first file that I needed to make, and there's another component that I need to make here. Oh. Uh. Maybe not services. Oh, it has a service, and then this component is probably going to use this service. Okay. Um, First off, and you serve, and then down here, uh, I'll say the GC. Um, uh, um, Notes, and hopefully it'll make it how I want it to. Please. Yeah, nah. Yeah, nah. But I mean, it'll work for now. This doesn't exist because it's going off an old architecture of what Angular used to be. And then toggle notes, whatever, whatever, whatever. Um, a component template. First off, let me see what this is doing. So all this is doing is this is an older architecture, kinda. Well, this is weird. No, it's not. Oh, it's kind of mixed. Toggle add note, the add note form. Okay. Add note successfully, notification service. So let's use that. Open the image URL. This is the HTML of it. Place all of that with that. Should be good. See for this. On file select. Okay, fine. Is there one for adding the media though? Uploaded media, problem media, URL. Cool. Is it a video? So it'll still do that. Okay, that makes sense. To have it in this file or this folder, these folders, instead of just dumping it into all one. That makes sense. Um, 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 Existing notes list. Uh, really? Really? Okay, fine. I wonder why it would say that. Hmm. And then create component styles location in here. Copy the relevant. Import that and then replace lines 166. Really? Wow. Wait a second. Cause I see that. Guess it did do it. Fine. 140, 242, 166. Boom. Why that? I messed up somehow. How did I mess something like this up? Problem note section, problem note section. Let's copy this entire thing. Right. Okay. This is now imported into here. Now, separation of concerns. Notes logic isolated from the dashboard. Reusability can use notes component anywhere. Problem history, admin panel, testability. Cool. Uh, oh, is this where it would live? No. I'll just kill it and then do that. Easy. Yes. Please no errors. No errors. Awesome. Oh my gosh. This is disgusting. Sorry, hold up. The heck is wrong with mine? Okay. Um. Oh no. Oh, that's probably why. I never did anything in here. Can you update the problem notes CSS file to match what it like That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. Hold up. I'm still here. Hold up. All right, we're already back. Oh gosh, my knee. Oh, 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 okay. Um, there's nothing like matching that. Plus, this is gonna be weird and awkward. And okay, that's better. I like that. I like it a lot. So done, did that. So I mean, now that they're not that the problem notes CFS file is related, it can remove any CSS and other files that may conflict or oh, I think there may be some stuff in the CSS file on the dashboard. Yep. There is, and it's not just that. It's all the way up here. It's not just these lines. I can see it right here too. Jeez. Remedy. Wait, hold up. What is that pertaining to? Really? What I may do is just stream until I run out of context or run until my limit. That may be what I do. That sounds like the plan. There are different classes. One prefix was the other with note. There's no elect or conflict. Um, can have media attachments shown in the notes. There's within problems. Um, okay. Okay. I don't like that though. Problem item header. Problem. Really? Oh. Huh. This actually makes sense. Crap. Uh, admin. Oh, I don't have that yet. There. What? That's not where that comes from. That's not where that comes from. Core R. Uh, how is this implemented? This off server side is admin. Oops. Yeah, fine. Let's put it there. Easy, easy. Easy enough. Cool. Go here. All this is fine. Okay. Okay. Okay, so okay. Mm, I'm probably gonna do that in the CSS of the no, because that's a logic thing. Um, I'm looking at this right here. I want this to be the same color. I'll just have AI do it. Mm, just do it like that. Mm, 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 mm. There was never, huh? I never had a class on it. What? I was gonna start applying one to it. Oh, so there's that. Oh, smart, smart. Okay, easy. Now, huh? This is just a problems notes component. Uh, Let's see if it'll do it. Do it properly. And plus, I've been meaning to kind of reimagine um how this is implemented, the whole problems as a whole problems as a whole. The problems feature as a whole. Game plan takes into oh, that's another thing. Alright. Oh gosh. Yes, don't ask again. What the heck? Hey. Yes. Oh my gosh. Hey. It's not letting me accept it. This sucks. No. Mm, mhm, whatever. Hold on. Hold on. I may have to do two things at once because the flow. I need to see this prompt. Nothing changed. Wait. I just realized I haven't been talking. I've just kind of been focusing, but I think I'm doing good work. I think so. Basically, what I'm trying to do is two things at once. I may need to focus on one thing right now. This is probably going to require more thought, but right now it works. But say for example, like right here, crap, right here has this been paused? Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, fine. So I don't really need to do that. Anything right there, I mean. Mm-mm. About actionable. Inactionable should know exactly what to do and prioritize safety critical items. Learn from patterns if multiple recent notes mention the same issue. Emphasize prevention in the checklist. Contextualize time and incorporate operator wisdom. If notes indicate certain steps took longer than expected, adjust time. Incorporate operator wisdom. Recent notes often add success. Starting section. Um. For specific learning output, update the output to encourage learning. But I'm still not sure as to. I'll have to use it, but I'm not sure if this is. Oh my gosh, it took off 300 lines. Yes, and don't ask again. It took off 300 lines. Please start saving things. Oh my gosh. I think I can close that out. Where is this at? Duration. That one. It makes more sense because it's probably gonna take 4 hours rather than 60. But theoretically, I want to get down to 60 minutes. But I don't know if that's possible. I mean, also theoretically, I could if I had like extreme focus, well, the ability to focus, that would be possible. I would like that. Mhm. No extraction, expanded issue to that. Add success patterns detections. Successful, no issues. Oh, wait, faster. Fixed. Yeah, yeah. That captures full note instead of truncated. Is that too much? These are duplicates. What the heck? What the heck is this? There's just a whole bunch of just duplicate stuff. What? Um, well, that makes sense. Because I'm more likely to use fixed than all of these. Um, resolved problem. Game point. Recent changeover notes. Shows full notes from last five similars with his duration, success, patterns, what worked well. Okay. Enhance guidelines. Learn from patterns and recurring issues. Contextualize timing based on actual note feedback. Incorporate operator wisdom from notes. Let's see what that does. Let's see if it even works. Uh, I'll test it out on the other line, test line. But yeah. That genuinely improve and accumulate operating experience. Okay. I like this stuff. Let's try to see what comes of it. I don't know. And let me look at what this does or says. Because a lot of stuff got refactored. I'm just curious as to if it broke anything or not. Still yes. Let's try it though. Open, do that. Oh, I don't know how I can tell if it changed or not. Also, let take that off of there. That makes sense to put that on there. Sorry, it's up. Yes, it's up here. Oh, there shouldn't be anything right there. Okay, that's something that got deleted. That shouldn't be right there. Okay. Let's do that. Test product. Do that. Uh-huh. Now generate it. I knew it was gonna break. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Oh, yeah. I'm doing all types of other queries now. I'm gonna have to wait for that to be finished. Yes. I truly think that after I'm done with this, I may be able to finally move on to like the admin, not admin portal, but like the manager portal. I'll probably think over it, mull over it over the break. But as far as as far as functionality and features go for this, I think this is okay. Uh, there. Happy. Did it build it yet? I need this index to be built. Hey, come on. I hope there isn't another index after this. That would suck. Come on. Because I wanted to. I know. Because I pay the bill and I just wanted the line stopped. But I mean, as of right now, I'm just waiting on this, validating that it works. Now I feel like driving. Finally, I feel like driving. Okay. Let me refresh. Do it the right way. The right way. Uh, 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 uh. Dang it. Okay, wait. It cannot be used yet. What? That's not the same one that I used. Oh, there's a new one. Just like I was scared of. Wait, no, there isn't. What the heck? Oh, okay. No errors, no errors, no errors, no errors. Uh, How long is 27,000 minutes? 18 days. That makes sense. Um, Mold alignment. Recommended platinum full chain rail with adjustment. Pay close attention, ensuring they are precise according to that for smooth material flow. Think we're good. I think we're good. I may want to change because this one is moving to, yeah, that's right. That's what I wanted. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, now that everything is cleaned up, generated and everything, it's time to hit the road. See the family. All right. Well, this was fun, productive, but Merry Christmas to everyone that celebrates Christmas and things like that. Um, be safe. Continue to be yourself. Lead with positivity, and I don't know. I don't know any other words of encouragement, but thanks for watching. Mm, Bye.